up YouTube? It's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. And this is your first time here at this channel, guys, I do a lot of how-to videos, tutorials, I do product reviews, tech reviews, app reviews, website reviews, some game reviews, some live gaming, and even some live streaming, guys. I do a whole lot of stuff. So if you like all that stuff and plus some more, then stay tuned to the channel, guys, because trust me, you don't want to miss out what I do here. So while you're at it, you might as well hit that subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. And while you're at it, guys, make sure you like all my videos, share my videos, and comment on my videos, guys, because that helps the channel out a lot, helps everybody stay in touch with me, so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. Alright, so today I want to go over a website that I have loaded right behind me. As you see, it's a car video today. Today's about cars. I came across this website, which is really nice. I found it on TikTok. I wish I remember who showed me this on TikTok, because I would give credit. But I found this on TikTok, and I thought this was a great website. So all the people that are always having troubles with the car, and they don't want to go pay high prices on mechanics. If you're tech savvy, you should be able to do some of this stuff here. Now, if it's a major problem, then I suggest you take it to your mechanic. But if you feel comfortable yourself on doing some work on your car and you need to fix something, then go ahead and try. But it's at your own risk, guys. Don't take it from me. I've been working on cars for years. Since at the age of 16, I've been working on cars. So I've gone through my phase of breaking stuff to learn how to fix it. Yes, when I first started working on cars, guys, I wasn't fixing it. I was breaking them, trying to fix them, but breaking them more. And then from time to time, I learned how to fix them better, make them faster, make them look better. And I was very well known in my area. Like, they see my car, oh, that's Junior there. That's Junior with the red Civic. Whatever car I had at the time, they need, like, oh, that's Junior. That's him right there. Like, people knew me. I wasn't the most famous person, but I was well known. So today I want to go ahead and show you this website. This website was shown to show you some fuse diagram, but it gives you a lot more tutorials on here on different things. Now, this website will give you a lot of information about the majority of cars. Now, some cars will not be shown here. Like, I try to look for my S2000, you know, my brother's car that I inherited. I try to look for his stuff. They didn't have a lot of stuff on that car. Like, I try to just look at the fuse box. Like, we don't have a fuse box. They told me, take a picture so we can try to locate the fuse box for you, and we can get it created for you for this website. So it'll give you the option. I'll show you what I'm talking about when I get into the website. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shrink myself down so I can show you the website. Alright, so I'm going to shrink myself down here. So if you look at the website, all you have to do is come to this website, and it's going to be linked down below. But if you want to start looking at it, it's called StartMyCar.com. Once you come here, it'll give you this website right here, guys. Looks very nice. Now, right off the back, it says with the logo right here, it says Start My Car. A lot of people with the same problems and the same problems. Yeah, same car and same problems. I read it backwards. It's all good. So you could put a question here, and you could probably find an answer on here. Never tried it. I'm gonna type in a simple question: why my car won't start? I'm just gonna put that. Let's see. So as you see, once I put that in the search menu, it gives me this whole list of stuff here. There could be different reasons. These are all reasons why people put here. People put questions up here, and people just come on here and answer questions. So if you want to be able to write on here and help people out, if you're car savvy, then you could just sign up here, which I haven't signed up yet, but I'm gonna sign up because I'm very well knowledge on stuff. You can ask questions here. If you sign up, you can put a question, people will answer. This is all a car community around the world, I'm assuming. Again, I haven't explored this too much, but from what I've seen so far, it is a great website. It's like a forum slash tech stuff on here already. Alright, so yeah, so I put why my car won't start. So you can go through all the questions here that people have asked and see if something relates to you. If it doesn't, you create your own question, and hopefully somebody will come back and write back to you. Look at that. There's 61 people wrote that question. Car won't start. For a reason a car won't start, it could be multiple reasons. It could be the battery. It could be no gas. It could be the fuel pump. Your fuel lines are down. Your oil pressure is gone. It could be many reasons, guys. It's not just when people say, "Oh, my car's not working, it's not starting." What's wrong with it? I can't tell you right. You tell me that exact question, I can't tell you what's wrong with it. I have to go through the diagnostics. I gotta actually. I'm more of a person when it comes to the car. I have to do it myself. I have to touch the car myself and actually try to turn it on and see what I hear, what I feel, because everything's different. But you could try to use this webpage to try to figure out your problems on your car. All right, so that's how you go through the search questions. So I'm gonna go back to the beginning. All right, so this is really for like the form stuff and everything. But down here, you could search for your make and model right here. These are the most popular ones right now: Ford, Honda, Chevy, Nissan, Toyota, and Kia. All right, I have a Honda and a Toyota. I got a Honda S2000 and a Toyota Tacoma. All right, so if I click on Honda, and like I said, I have a S2000. I'm gonna click on S2000. Once you pick your car, your make and model, you come here and it gives you all these options here. The fuse box diagram, that's where they did have mines. The owner's review, owner's manual. If you want to download the manual, you can get it from here. Service and repair manual, that's also good, useful in case you lost your original one. Useful guides and the fuse box diagram. Like I try to do this for my S2000 right now. Fuse, they don't have it. See? So they ask for your diagram. So when you click on here, ask for your diagram, it's gonna ask you go take a picture of your fuse box, and they'll create it for you eventually. Not gonna be right away, but you can go ahead and do that. All right, so they don't have it. They don't have mine there. So let's see if they have anything else. Owner's manual. Let's take a look at the owner's manual. So they have all the owner's manuals right here, which is pretty cool. They're all in PDF form and all the years of your car right here. So the S2000s were only made from 2000 to 2009. There was only 10 years of production, and then they didn't make any more. Are they gonna make any more in the future? I don't know. But mine's a 2003. So if I want to get the user manual, I click on here, and I can download it. And boom, look at this user manual here, guys. Everything you get when you first buy the car, the whole user manual. If you want to use it, look at that. Look how cool this thing is. Just like if you had it in your hands, guys. It's a cool little website. So it has a lot of features in here that you could use. So let's go back. All right. I don't want to. Let me see what else they got here. All right, so service and repair manuals. Let's take a look if they have one here. Okay, so they don't have the service and repair manuals on here. We don't have the manual for the S2000. See, they don't have everything. For my S2000, they don't have a lot of stuff because it's such a rare car. Like, there's not that many out there like that. It's not like you see any Honda Civic. There's millions of Honda Civics out there on the road, but you don't see that many S2000. That's why every time somebody sees me and my S2000, they always give me the thumbs up. They put their hands out and put their thumbs up. Especially if it's a car enthusiast, they put their hands out. People pull up next to a nice car. I've taken my car to car meets, and people said there'd be nice old school hot rods. There'd be muscle cars. There'd be some tons of cars. Twice, I've been to 2 different meets. Twice, people told me, I don't care about any other car. Your car here is the best car here because my car is so rare. It's not that rare, but it's rare enough that people appreciate it. All right, so as you see, there's not that much there. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check out my Toyota, my Tacoma, and see what they have there. All right, so I'm gonna go back out. I'm gonna go back to the beginning to start my car. Now, this is only showing you right here. Let's say you want to see more models. Maybe one of these are not your models. Let's say you have a, what's the other car? Not the Kia, but the other, Hyundai. You see there's no Hyundai here. Click on here, it says see more makes, and then you find your car here. So if I want to go to Hyundai, where are you? Hyundai is right here. I can just go through my Hyundais and look for the one I want. But I don't want to do that. I want to go to my Toyota. Where's my Toyota right here? I'm going to go to the Tacoma. Okay, right there. And I got all my stuff here, guys. Everything I need here for my Tacoma. All I need right here. So now, let's see if this has the fuse box diagram that I was trying to look for on my S2000. And they do have them here. This is what it looks like. The cool feature I like this is the main reason why I like this website a lot. Find the year you have, right? I have a 2013, so this is my Tacoma right here. Now, it tells you all the fuse box they have. This is one fuse box This is another fuse box, and then this is the third fuse box they have. Now, you look at it, okay, you can sit there, find the one you try to look for, and then you can find it down here. But the thing I like about this, when you highlight it over it, let's say I highlight this, it tells me what this thing's worth. This is for the seat heaters. This is for the tail. Let's go over here. This is for the horn, and it has a picture right there for the horn. And this is for the air pump. This is for the ignition gauge fuse. It tells you everything what each fuse does, which I think is awesome. These are relay switches, so it's really hard for them to know which it is. It's more of a fuse thing. So boom, and you got want a more description on this, you can find them all down here. If you're trying to look for a certain thing, let's say you're trying to look for the AC and air conditioning system, and you don't know, you want to find out which fuse is it. If you click on it, you see it highlights it. It's up here. Boom, you can find it, which is awesome. Like, I don't know what these fuses do right here. So this one is the spare fuse and another spare fuse. So these are all spare fuses. This doesn't, they don't identify this one. Then you got this extra fuse box here, and boom, you find the one you want. I think this is a cool little website. Gives you great information on here on cars. All right, so let's go back out. All right, let's see if this one has the service repair manuals. Let's see. This one doesn't have it. It's only the owner's manual, but that's all right. But boom, guys, look at it. It's a good website. Again, go to StartMyCar.com and I'll bring it to this website. And it has a lot of stuff here, guys. A lot of information, especially for people that like to work on cars and they want to get more information. This is a great website to use. All right, that's it for today, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show me. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. Also, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time I drop great videos like this one, whenever I go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.